This is Abby Ashton recording for Cardiff University. This screencast will walk you through the steps of preparing and delivering a lesson plan from the Inspiring Science Education or ISE portal. ISE calls these lesson plans demonstrators. For now, we're going to follow the pathway to one specific lesson, but the same steps can obviously be adjusted for any other lessons offered by the ISE portal. We assume that you are already registered with ISE and that you know how to navigate communities. If not, check out our previous screencasts, How to Register and Communities and Networks, before proceeding. Let's go now to the ISE UK Resources page. You may be there already if you just completed our previous screencast. Otherwise, follow the link bit.do/ISE_UK_resources. You can now see a list of ISE UK resources which you can make use of. We're going to look for the demonstrator, Space Telescopes in the Multi-Wavelength Universe. Try searching for this title now, leaving the other fields blank. On the results page, click on the red title card to gain access to the homepage for this demonstrator. The homepage for this demonstrator looks something like this. You can check whether the lesson plan matches what you expect by clicking on View Resource for a preview. If this is the lesson you want to use, click on the Clone button, which copies the plan to your own personal area and makes it deliverable. Your browser will have opened a new tab where you have to click the Clone Lesson icon again. This page shows the lesson's metadata. We recommend renaming the lesson under the General Info to something relating to your school or your own name to make it more easy to identify. Don't forget though that students will be able to see this title when you deliver the lesson. Check the information on each page, then scroll down and press Next. Do this for each of the pages of metadata and save the lesson on the 5th page. You can achieve the same result by clicking on bubble 5 and pressing Save, but this doesn't let you check the information as you go. If you've followed all the previous steps, you will now be on your personal lessons and scenarios page. All lessons you've cloned or created up until now will appear here every time you log in. The lesson that you've just cloned should be ready for delivery to your students at the top of this list. Clicking on the red lesson title will bring you into the interactive part of the lesson. Hovering the mouse pointer over icons in this screen will tell you what they do. For now, we want to deliver that lesson, so let's click on the Deliver symbol, which is that group of 3 people. You're presented with 2 links, a student link and a teacher link. Students can use their link to enter the lesson, while the teacher link gives you a view with more information, including students' progress. These links are specific to the delivery of that lesson and allow you to view all students' progress. We recommend that you shorten these links using a URL shortener like bit.do or the Google URL shortener. It's also a good idea to create new links every time you deliver a lesson to a new group of students. This means you will view student progress and feedback separately for each class. Remember that all lessons you have delivered will appear in your own personal area every time you log in. To re-deliver a lesson, you can go there and click on the Deliver button again. This will produce new, unique links, as well as displaying your previous links for past lessons. Congratulations on preparing your first ISE demonstrator to deliver to a class. There are thousands of resources to browse through on the ISE site, so do take some time to familiarise yourself with the platform. To learn how to create your own demonstrator from scratch, check out our final screencast, Authoring Your Own Demonstrator.